Hey guys, what's up? Lois here, as you guys can see today we're at Galaxy's Edge, and I'm going to show you how to take the shots here and some of the stage shows. So let's go ahead inside.
But get it. Am I clear, Lieutenant?
We're clear, sir. Choppers, you will join recon unit and question anyone you find suspicious. If you don't believe them, detain them. We have room at the President Trans.
Interesting is that when the show starts, actually many people don't like to walk or at least stand pretty close because they think that you can't, but you can actually go directly right up to the stage if you want to. But people usually park around here, which is fine, because what I like of shooting in this way is that you shoot somewhat straight towards the people that are on stage, because if you get too close you're going to be shooting upward at an angle, which you do not want to do. The show plays a couple times during the day, which is pretty cool, so you have a couple of opportunities to try different things. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what I use for settings, and definitely you can try different things. So when it comes to camera settings, I'm going to be setting it to AV. And in my case, I actually press a button and select it. And some of your guys' cases, you guys may have a dial here to the right, and just change that to AV. And then what that will do is that the main roller button that you have will actually control the S-stop like this, for example. So you can see how the S-stop goes up and down. That way I don't have to worry about what is the shutter speed or the ISO. Always walking around checking to see who's a spy. Now when it comes to walking around and taking photos of some of the characters while they're walking around here at Galaxy's Edge, I'm going to be using the same mode on my my camera, which is aperture priority, because I want to be able to create that really cool bokeh effect. Because when there's a lot of people like this and you spot focus right there on the person, you get everything else blurred out, which is what you do. If not, if you try to shoot this like at a higher, like an f-stop, like f4 or something like that, what's going to happen is that everybody around is going to be in focus, and you want only the person in the center to be focused. Now again, these are just my settings and recommendations. There's a ton of ways that you can shoot this, but just sharing how I usually do these type of shots. Now here's a little secret. If you ever get hot here at Galaxy's Edge, you can come in here, which is where the entrance to, or what will be the entrance to the Star Cruiser. You come over here, walk all the way to the end. You come over here, and right here there is a glorious fan, and you can just hang out here, get some fresh air before you head out again. Little secret I gave you.
Sir, welcome to my tour.
You are a poor ambassador.
Yes. Now there's a couple really cool scenes which we're actually going to park right here. Okay, zoom back a little bit, and you'll have Kylo here with the officer in the back, and you're going to see where he's like trying to do the choking him. So with there, we are going to actually adjust our aperture. We're going to make it something a little wider. That way we can get the front as well as the back, because if we leave it at the 1.8, what's going to happen, only the front's going to be in focus. So we want to make sure we get the whole thing in focus. So we're going to adjust that maybe to like a 4 and hopefully get the shot. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, now what I'll do many times, as you can see, obviously this place is pretty crowded, and it will be all the way up until the nighttime, is I'll usually put on my ultra wide angle here, which is like 16, and that will allow me to get some really good shots of stuff without people in them. And if I do have to shoot some of the structures, I usually shoot upwards at an angle. That way I get all the people out of the shots. Okay, here stormtroopers are over here with the land speeder and a couple of other stuff. Let's see if we can get in here and take a couple shots at the wide angle. Let's go.
For the order. For the order. For the order.
Now, one of the cool things of shooting with structures here around Galaxy's Edge is this: there's just levels and there's staircases. You actually get some really cool shots from staircases like this shooting upwards. For example, going up way this way. Let me show you a couple of the shots.
For the order.
Okay guys, so that's it here for the Galaxy's Edge. Taking photos and how I took those photos and the settings and all that fun stuff. Now, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider subscribing, liking, and comment below so that way we keep these videos flowing. Till then guys, this is Lewis signing off from Galaxy's Edge. Till then, stay awesome. Bye.